All right, so from the last video, I ended by asking you to go get a piece of paper that looks like this and then a bunch of papers that have ordered pairs on this. Okay, so you have this hopefully in front of you. All right, I need you to make sure that it's upright, okay, and it's in the right way. On the 0, 0, I need you to write origin. Okay, on your x-axis, you need to put x-axis right to the side, okay, just like mine. And then on your y-axis, which is the vertical line, I just want you to put y-axis, okay? So on each line and each place where it is important, we are labeling. So label your origin, your x-axis, and your y-axis. And then you have a bunch of sheets that look like this and have ordered pairs. All right, we're going to get to sheet 1. You should start off where it says this and directions. So directions are that we plot each ordered pair following the directions of when you need to connect to points. Okay, and then here it tells you you're going to connect each plotted point. So we're going to get to what that means in just a second. All right, we are going to go through the first 4 together, and I'm gonna show you exactly what that means. Let me switch my screen. All right, so we mine is already completed because I have slightly messed up this video a few times. So we are going to plot, like I said, the first 4 plots, okay? So if you plot 8, 8, remember to run before you jump. You always want to run before you jump, okay? You are going to be here. Sorry, let me back up. You're going to run 8 and you're going to jump 8. All right, so there's my first point. Then your second point says 7, 9. You're going to run, sorry, opposite way. Run 7, jump 9. Okay, now here is where that instruction to connect each plotted point comes in. I have now done my first point to my second point. And nothing has told me that I don't connect, so I do need to connect these points. So when I get here, first point to second point, I need to put a line. I need to connect them. And then when I put my third point, I connect my second point to my third point. And then I connect my third point to my fourth point. And then if I were to plot my fifth point, I would connect my fourth point to my fifth point. All right. So I just plotted. So it's starting to look like this, okay? And so on, and so on, and so on. Now, if you keep looking through your ordered pairs, you are going to see that it says end, right? So what this means is when I plotted 3, 8, and then I plotted 8, 7, I do not connect 3, 8 to 8, 7, okay? I completely just stop connecting. So up until this point, I have connected each thing. So if I were to have plotted 4, 8, it would be connected to 3, 8. And then I stop. All right? And then I start over by plotting my 8, 7. Then after I plot my 8, 7, I would go to 7, 6, and I would connect that line. Okay? So anytime it tells you to end, you are just going to stop ending your connecting. Okay? But then you're going to start over by connecting another one. So let me plot my 7, 6 just to kind of show you. And then I have 8, 5. Okay, so here's where it told me to end, and then I start over, okay? And then I start connecting. Then I would connect each of those points below. So every point below this, I would connect to each other. And I would keep connecting, okay, until it tells me to end. Then I don't connect, and then I pick back up and I connect these points together. But I do not connect 3, 7 with 9, 11. Okay? And then it tells you to end again. Then you pick up your pencil, you start over, you connect, end, pick up your pencil, start over, connect all of these, end, and so on. Okay? Once you are done, hopefully it looks like this. Okay? This is our final product. But I want you to make sure that you do this in pencil, 1. Once you are finished, I want you to look at someone else's and see if your plotted points look like their plotted points, and if you have the same picture. Okay, once you have confirmed that with at least 2 people, and one of them could be me, then you can go back through and you can look at where it tells you. So like these points, you're going to color black, okay, or that area that it makes. And then within these points, you're going to color them yellow. And within these points, color yellow, okay? And then it tells you at the bottom here that at the rest is going to be orange. The rest of the picture is going to be orange, okay? So make sure that you are following through and you are doing this slowly, okay, to make sure you get your plotted points in the correct order and in the correct place. All right. If you have any questions, you can come ask me if I'm not busy, or you can ask someone that's doing the same exact project as you. Please do not distract others while you are doing this. I've given you 2 days to do it. You can do it today and you can do it tomorrow. And then hopefully we have a gist of how to find ordered pairs and what you do with ordered pairs. All right. I hope you have fun. I hope you enjoy this. And then if you have any questions, let me know. All right. Get to work.